Alright folks, the next project is this mailbox. The bracket is broken off of that, so what I'm going to try to do is re-weld it together. But before I can start, I got to take the concrete off the bottom, and usually what I'll do is I'll just take a sledge or something and just hit it until it breaks off. So that's what we're going to try now. Okay, so take a look. Hopefully you can see it. I'm going to take a big hammer to it. Okay, here we go. Alright, so we'll bring you back inside, okay, when it's done. Alright, I got everything apart and I got most of the concrete removed, and this bracket here fell off the end, and you can tell it's not straight. So first thing we're probably going to do is try to straighten that out. I'm going to take it over to the vise and we're just going to try to jaw it, and then we're going to try to fix that, okay? Alright, so what we're going to try to do is straighten this bracket out. It's getting straighter. Gotta work on this piece now. There we go. Yep, there we go. That's getting straighter. There. Okay, there you go. See, that's kind of straight compared to what it was before. I'm gonna work on it just a little bit. I'll just fit it on the actual mailbox, and we'll go from there. Okay. But I think that's gonna be pretty good. All right, let's go. All these pieces we got here, I'm going to use a combination of a grinding wheel and a wire brush and a flap disc just to clean up the edges. So we're going to start with this. And I'm going to clean up everything, and then we'll be back, okay? Okay, I grounded and then I wire brushed most everything. I still got to come back and do these, but I did the ends. And now the big jigsaw puzzle, we got to get it together so it looks right, and then we can weld it together. Alright, so that's okay. We're going to start the first part of the weld. I measure the distance, so it's pretty close. I'm going to heat it up first a little bit, and I'm just going to use my MIG welder. Alright, I think that's adjusted pretty good, temperature wise, and alright, now I'm gonna do a bead. I'm gonna do a bead across here. Oops, you can't see it. I'll do it across here, okay? So, here we go. Tough filming, okay? That's nice. It's a good sizzle. Alright, let's get the other stuff. Alright, let's flip it over and do the other side. Alright, I got it all welded up. It's pretty solid again. There's pieces missing from before, but I think all the welds are pretty solid. It looks like it held. It's pretty solid again, like I said. I got to clean up some of the welds here, and then we'll give it a coat of black paint, and then we'll go from there, okay? Let's do that. Alright, I got a coat of black paint on it. I'll let it dry out here, then I'll reassemble it, and then I'll get a bag of concrete, and then we will install it at the house. But otherwise, it looks like it turned out okay. Alright, thank you for watching, thank you for subscribing, and have a great day. Bye.